Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your FreeCash earnings on Instamart using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the FreeCash website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to earn money first. You can earn on FreeCash by completing offers, gifts, and surveys. After you earn enough balance, look at the top right corner, click on your balance. This will take you to the withdraw page. Now choose a withdrawal option you can use for Instamart. Best option are usually gift card if available or PayPal, which you can use for online payments. If FreeCash offers a shopping or Swiggy gift card, select it and redeem it. You will receive a gift card code. There is no Swiggy gift card. Choose PayPal, enter your PayPal email and withdraw your money. Wait until the payment is completed. Now open a new tab and go to the Swiggy website on your PC. Log into your Swiggy account, click on the Instamart section, add groceries or item you want to your cart. Go to the checkout at the payment page. If you have a gift card, apply the gift card code or select PayPal and pay using your FreeCash money. Once payment is successful, your Instacart order is placed. And that's it. That's how you use FreeCash earnings on Instamart using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.